Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The endocrine system sends chemical messages called blank that are distributed through the body by blood and other bodily fluids. Endorphins, axons, neurotransmitters, hormones. True or false? Hormones can have many different effects, both positive and negative, on your body and behavior. True, false. Which gland is known as the master gland? Pituitary gland, hypothalamus, the thyroid. If a person is feeling lazy and lethargic, they may be suffering from too little of what hormone? Adrenaline, thyroxine, estrogen. The blank glands become active when a person is angry or frightened. Universal, cortical, sex, adrenal. Adrenal glands are responsible for releasing what chemical that helps the body create extra energy during emergencies? Corticosteroids, testosterone, pituitary chemicals. What are the two types of sex glands? Testes, thyroxine, ovaries. How does the endocrine system impact our behaviors? You may use the audio option to record your answer.